Here, you'll learn how acne and blackheads actually form, the right and safe ways to treat them, and the common mistakes that make things worse.
Did you know that most people are actually making their acne worse without even realizing it? They try everything: expensive products, viral hacks, even harsh treatments. But their skin just keeps getting worse. So what's really going on? The truth is, acne isn't just about what you put on your face. It's about how you treat your skin every single day. And in this video, I'm going to show you the right way to deal with acne in a simple, safe, and effective way. Let's start with the biggest mistake. A lot of people think popping pimples will make them disappear faster. But in reality, it pushes bacteria deeper into your skin, causing more inflammation, more redness, and sometimes even scars. Another common mistake is using too many products at once. Your skin gets overwhelmed, irritated, and ends up producing even more oil. And then there's overwashing your face, which might feel like you're cleaning your skin, but actually strips away natural oils and makes your skin even more sensitive. So if you've been doing any of these, it's time to stop. Now let's talk about what actually works. Step 1. Keep your routine simple. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day, morning and night. No need for anything aggressive or expensive. Just something that cleans your skin without drying it out. Step 2. Use targeted treatments. Ingredients like salicylic acid help unclog your pores, while benzoyl peroxide fights acne-causing bacteria. But here's the key: don't overuse them. Too much will only irritate your skin and slow down your progress. Step 3. Never skip moisturizer. Even if your skin is oily, you still need hydration. Because when your skin is dry, it produces more oil to compensate, and that leads to more breakouts. Step 4. Sunscreen. Every single day. This is one of the most underrated steps. Sun exposure makes acne marks darker and slows down your skin's healing process. So if you're serious about clear skin, sunscreen is not optional. Now here's something most people ignore. Your lifestyle plays a huge role in your skin. Too much sugar, too much dairy, not enough water. All of these can trigger breakouts. And don't forget sleep. When you don't sleep enough, your body produces more stress hormones, which can lead to more acne. So taking care of your skin isn't just about products. It's about your daily habits too. And one last thing. Not all acne is the same. Some cases are mild and easy to manage, but others can be more severe and require professional help. So if your acne is not improving, don't hesitate to see a dermatologist. At the end of the day, clear skin takes time. There's no instant solution, no magic product. Just consistency, patience, and the right approach. And this is where most people give up too early. They expect results in just a few days. But your skin doesn't work that way. In reality, your skin needs at least a few weeks to start showing real improvement, because acne forms under the skin before it even appears on the surface. So even if you start the right routine today, you might still see breakouts for a while. And that's completely normal. This is called the purging phase, when your skin is pushing out all the impurities. Most people think their products aren't working, but in reality, it's part of the healing process. Now here's something very important. Consistency beats everything. Using the right product once in a while won't change anything, but using a simple routine every single day will. Another powerful tip: pay attention to what touches your face. Your pillowcase, your phone, even your hands can carry bacteria that triggers acne. So try to change your pillowcase regularly, clean your phone screen, and avoid touching your face unnecessarily. Also, be careful with trends. Not everything you see online is safe or effective. Some viral hacks can seriously damage your skin barrier. If something sounds extreme, it probably is. Stick to simple, proven methods. And here's a mindset shift that can change everything. Don't focus on removing acne overnight. Focus on building healthy skin long term. Because when your skin is healthy, acne naturally becomes less of a problem. And the people who have clear skin, they're not using magic products. They just understand their skin and treat it with patience and consistency. And there's another detail that most people completely ignore. Your skin barrier. This is the outer layer of your skin, and its job is to protect you from bacteria, irritation, and moisture loss. When you use too many harsh products or exfoliate too often, you slowly damage this barrier. And when that happens, your skin becomes more sensitive, more oily, and more prone to breakouts. So instead of constantly attacking your acne, sometimes the best thing you can do is to calm your skin down. Focus on repairing, not just treating. Use gentle products. Avoid over-exfoliating. And give your skin time to recover. Now let's talk about something else. Stress. A lot of people don't realize how much stress affects their skin. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which increases oil production and triggers inflammation. That's why you might notice more breakouts during exams or difficult periods in your life. So managing stress isn't just good for your mind. It's essential for your skin too. Even simple habits can help. Taking breaks, going for a walk, getting fresh air, or just disconnecting for a while. Now here's another mistake that slows down your progress. Switching products too quickly. People try something for a few days, don't see instant results, and move on to something else. But skincare doesn't work like that. Every product needs time to show results. If you keep changing your routine, your skin never gets the chance to adapt. So once you find a routine that makes sense, stick to it. Give it time. Observe how your skin reacts, and adjust slowly if needed. And finally, understand this. Clear skin is not about perfection. Even people with great skin still get occasional breakouts. What matters is how often and how severe they are. So don't chase perfect skin. Chase healthy, balanced skin. Because that's what truly makes the difference over time. And there's one more thing that can completely change how you deal with acne. Understanding your skin type. Because not every routine works for everyone. If your skin is oily, you'll need lightweight products that don't clog your pores. If your skin is dry, you'll need more hydration and gentle care. And if your skin is sensitive, you have to be extra careful with active ingredients. Using the wrong products for your skin type can make everything worse, even if those products are good. Now let's go deeper. Timing also matters. Applying products in the right order and at the right time can make a big difference. For example, cleansing comes first, always, then treatment products, then moisturizer, and sunscreen in the morning. Simple, but very effective when done correctly. And here's a small detail that creates a big impact over time. How you apply your products. Rubbing your skin aggressively or applying too much pressure can cause irritation and microdamage. Instead, be gentle. Let your skin absorb the product. Don't force it. Now think about this. Everything you do daily adds up. Every time you touch your face, every product you use, every habit you repeat, it either helps your skin or slowly makes things worse. That's why awareness is powerful. When you start paying attention, you begin to notice patterns. What triggers your breakouts? What improves your skin? and what you should avoid. And once you understand that, you stop guessing. You stop wasting money on random products. And you start building a routine that actually works for you. Because at the end of the day, good skin isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently and avoiding the things that harm your skin without you noticing. And here's something that separates people who struggle with acne from those who finally get it under control. They stay patient even when results are slow, because progress isn't always visible day by day. But over time, it becomes obvious. 1 week might not change much, but a few weeks of consistency, that's where the real difference starts to show. And during that time, you have to avoid one dangerous habit: comparing your skin to others. What works for someone else might not work for you. Different skin, different genetics, different lifestyle. So instead of comparing, focus on your own progress. Even small improvements matter. Less redness, fewer breakouts, faster healing. These are all signs that you're moving in the right direction. And if you ever feel frustrated, just remember this: every healthy routine you follow today is an investment in your future skin. You're not just fixing acne. You're building stronger, healthier skin for the long term. So take it step by step. Stay consistent and trust the process. Now I want to hear from you. What's one thing you're going to change in your routine after this? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you understand your skin better, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple, real advice that actually works. Because the more you learn about your skin, the easier it becomes to take control of it. See you in the next video.